Hi folks, Brian here, Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. A brief, my interpretation of space weather, why nothing's happening, because it's expected nothing's happening. I'll explain. I understand a lot of the higher profile YouTube people are a little bit confused and perplexed why you see me's are duds, nothing's happening. Simple, man. So there may have been some very minor brief appearances in the aurora, sporadically here and there, but nowhere near extensive as the large solar storms last May. Now they've been forecasting G3 up to G4 severe geomagnetic storms, and so far, after the first initial hits, duds, nothing's happening. I've been traveling across British Columbia, taking my wife and daughter to the airport so they can go to Indonesia, and on the way back this morning, about 3 o'clock in the morning, I stopped off at a mountaintop, away from all the cities, beautiful bright stars and all that. Absolutely no indication of any auroras, nothing. My wife and daughter's flight track was actually up the coast of British Columbia, along the Alaska Peninsula, Bering Strait, along the coast of Russia, China, Japan. They'll be touching down in about an hour or less in Hong Kong. I'll find out. I'm quite sure they didn't see anything. So again, nothing major, nothing extensive, as everybody has been getting so excited about. Let me explain. Almost all of the star systems out there are either binary 2 or trinary 3 star systems. The proper name of our sun is Sol, S-O-L. To avoid triggering any attention-getting algorithms by Facebook, I just named our binary companion, the evil twin sister, Sal, S-A-L, the brown dwarf. Nemesis, Planet X, Nibiru. Wormwood. If our binary system, the evil twin sister Sal, is closer than anticipated, that would explain why a lot of these CMEs are being pulled away from us. Perhaps. You see, the galactic current sheet is the cover story for the solar system changes from the incoming binary system. It's a cover story, just like man-made global warming cover story they came up with 40 years ago was the cover story to explain the violent earth changes when they discovered planet 41 years ago, or announced it. They discovered it before them. They announced it in 1983. So this is why I made that statement 1 or 2 videos ago about space weather, how I really wasn't expecting much. And this is why I'm really hesitant now when these flares do go off and doing my calculations on when it's going to hit Earth and what's the Earth side and all that blah, blah, blah. And since that NOAA modeling, there's been a succession of other M-class flares, Earth exposed, directed. I'm not paying any attention to it. I'm paying attention to the effects of Sal. All the heat coming up everywhere. I just showed you a couple. I ain't done yet. Fiji and all the surrounding islands is like they're all totally on fire almost. And many other areas of the planet. So let everyone else blah 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 their mouth off over exaggerations, and it's been dud after dud after dud. Later.